Hello friends, welcome back. It's Nadi here. Today we are going to make some nice stewed chicken, and this recipe is inspired by my husband who is from Trinidad, and this is the way he makes it, and guys, it's so yummy. So let's get started. So friends, to make our stewed chicken, I have everything prepared here. I have here one chicken, and this is from the farm. We got the fresh chicken from the farm. So, and the chicken is like about 3.5 pounds. I have here my garlic, half an onion, and pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. This I'm gonna save for later. I have here scallions, tomatoes. So scallions, tomatoes, thyme, fresh thyme, half of an onion chopped up, we're gonna add salt, gonna add some black pepper, gonna add about 1 teaspoon of the Maggie bullion powder, and we're gonna add some dark soy sauce. So we're adding just like about 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna give everything a nice mix. I'm gonna cover this, and I'm gonna let this marinate for like about 2 hours minimum time, and you can also leave this overnight in the fridge. Okay, so friends, to start with, I have like about 2 tablespoons of oil, and this is heated up, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and let this caramelize. So it should be looking like this, and this looks good now, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken in. So guys, once you add the chicken in, you're just gonna cover it for a couple minutes. That's about 2 or 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn everything up. Give everything a nice mix. This is smelling so good right now. The longer you let your chicken marinate, the tastier it will be. So, you can marinate overnight. So I'm going to cover this and let this cook, and I'm going to turn it in between. So I'm going to let this cook until all the water evaporated. Wow, this is looking so good. Look at this, guys. So all the water has evaporated, so now it's time to add hot water. So you're going to add enough water to boil the chicken. I'm adding a little extra because, the farm chicken takes longer to boil. So I'm adding a little extra water. But if you're using the store-bought chicken, then you put less water. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some peppers. You guys know how I love pepper. And I'm going to cover this and let this cook. So friends, after 20 minutes, this is looking really good. The salt is okay, and the amount of gravy is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and add my cilantro. And I'm going to give this like about another 30 seconds just to let all the flavors get combined. And I'm going to take it down. So friends, this is the final product, and look how amazing this looks, and I can tell you it tastes absolutely delicious. So friends, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.